Welcome back to my channel, Living Life with Serenity. My name is Shar, and if you haven't yet, hit that subscribe button. I post every Saturday. Today's video, I have some more Jeep news. The Jeep news today is pretty exciting. Jeep's hybrid, the Wrangler 4xe, won Ward's 10 Best Engines for 2021. Receiving the award in its first year in the automotive market. Who is Ward's? WardsAuto offers continuous, updated news and insight in the global automotive industry. Wards has the vital insight you need in every format: web, newsletters, data, intelligent reports, events, consulting, and more. They annually rate 10 best engines in the automotive industry. This year, Jeep Wrangler 4xe won. Wards like to tease us, releasing only one winner each day. They released in random order. All winners were released on September 24th. WardsAuto's judges drove 39 vehicles that are available in the U.S. Representing the 39 nominees are, and I have to look at my notes because I couldn't remember all 39. Acura, Audi, BMW, Chevrolet, Ford, Genesis, Honda, Hyundai, Infiniti, Jeep, Land Rover, Lexus, Mazda, Mercedes-Benz, Polestar, Porsche, Ram, Toyota, Volkswagen, and Volvo. Out of all of the nominees, 18 are full hybrids or battery electric. Tom Murphy, WardsAuto managing editor, said, "The all-new 400-volt plug-in hybrid system makes the Jeep Wrangler 4xe a whole lot more efficient, and it compromises nothing on the trail in its rugged off-road element." The Wrangler 4xe system uses a 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine with 2 electric motors. When fully charged, it can almost squeeze out 25 miles on the battery alone. The Wrangler 4xe became one of the top 3 best-selling plug-in hybrids, PHEV, in the second quarter of 2021, just weeks after it went on sale. In addition to the U.S., the Wrangler 4xe is also sold in Canada, Europe, and China. I was pretty excited to share this Jeep news with you, especially since Jeep won an award for one of the top 10 best engines. Let me know in the comments below what you thought about today's Jeep news. Like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget, live life with serenity. Until next time, bye!